Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in music sentiment, up to plus 0.44, along with a momentum of plus 0.71 over the last 24 hours. This is particularly interesting when you consider that these scores are significantly above the historical baseline, indicating a fresh wave of positive engagement with music. Our API gives you access to real-time sentiment analysis, returning key metrics such as sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters, which can help you understand what resonates with your audience. Imagine building a recommendation system that leverages this data to suggest tracks that are currently trending positively, enhancing user experience and driving engagement. Dive deeper into the data and see what you can create at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.